Today we're back with another video. Alright, what's up YouTube? We're finally back. Finally got over the hump of the battery and the alternator. And I mean, from where we left off, we installed the new shifter and the new radio. The GoPro doesn't do it justice. So, everything looks spectacular. Thank you guys for tuning in today. It's a beautiful Sunday. We're relaxed, chilling. Smell of fire. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. And let's jump into... I forgot how loud this car was. It cracks me up sometimes because, and especially since I was out of my car, that sounds loud. But if I was outside of this car, I'd be like, whoa, that's actually pretty loud. And I'm wanting to end up getting like long tubes and a cam. If I'm being completely honest with you guys, I would love to hear how the cam sounds on this exhaust setup. Just the Borla S-Type without the long tubes. Because I do like how loud this car is. Although sometimes I do, when going through the rev range, I do wish it was a little bit louder. And I can already tell, like, even if it was to sit at idle with long tubes in the Borla S-Type with a cam, chef's kiss. That would be absolutely amazing. Y'all peep the throws now. Some juicy throws. Where they call it that now. Floor it?
No, don't floor it.
Okay, floor it.
No. here.
Oh, she's forehead and all is on the camera right now. All right, you ready? This what a real car feels like, by the way. My fault, my fault.
The Ultima. I said the Ultima.
Oh, that's crazy work.
Mine still sounds better.
I mean, y'all let me know in the comments. Raspy V6, 30 V8. I mean, you just let me know.
It's crazy.
Hey, you know him? Hang on, you know him?
Nope.
You sure?
Nope.
Hey, excuse me?
Nope. Nope. I think that was a girl.
That was a man.
That was a girl.
That was a man.
That was a girl.
I'll put this on the highway real quick. That way I can do a pull.
Right.
Cause you know it's 35. We're
Yeah.
you know. I do the speed limit around here. You know. I got police that watch this channel.
That watch the channel. Is that what you said?
Yeah. Gotta be on my P's and Q's. And report you to the sheriff.
You're done.
No, you might actually get me though.
No, I will. There's
I mean, it depends on what gear we starting in.
right.
Like if we're doing like a 60 roll, you're probably gonna get me. But if we do like a 40 roll or a 30 roll, I thought about it.
Yeah. No.
You might get me.
I can do that.
You might get me.
That's kind of crazy.
See, that felt fast, didn't it?
I'm getting you for sure.
Yeah, you might get me.
It did feel fast though.
Are we gonna test this out one day?
Dude, what do you mean?
No. Let me do a couple more things, because I'm not finna have you trash talking me for this long. No, because I need to get some long tubes and some cams or something, bro. This ain't cutting it.
Oh my gosh. Red light?
I put it in a ditch. It's got a lot of torque, so like it'll put you back in the seat, but then you're just standing there and you're just like, bro, we're not even going 40 yet. You know what I mean? Like it's a fun car, but it's not that fast. Final thoughts?
It does sound good though.
Final thoughts?
So pretty much I fear he would get smoked in the Infinity.
The Infinity in question, we're about to see.
The Infinity, yeah. Y'all are. I'm broke, I'm poor. So what we have on it is what we'll do for now.
No, let's go ahead and get a little rev.
Don't crack on the rev, y'all.
No,
Please don't crack on the rev. Like let's.
We ain't starting yet.
Not too hard on her. She's been through a lot. She's almost at 200,000 miles.
Whoa!
I fear.
Wait, you got some splitters on the side?
Yeah, Billy put those. I helped Billy put those on.
Are you going? I mean, if you,
Wait, no, let me get.
Okay, I mean, if you like that.
All right.
No.
Bro, he always trying to plug something.
No. You put it right here. Little splitter action. All right,
Wait.
start it and rev it. I mean, it's kind of aesthetic. Did you make that gold?
No.
Oh. Is that gold?
No, it's just dirty.
You gotta show the splitters though.
You can't even see. Not too much on the wheels. We're not gonna get too close to a little curve.
Wait, that's street arrow. I'll put you on that.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did, bro. The splitter I have is literally street arrow.
No, he's lying.
I swear. All right, I'm gonna take a picture.
I literally got this.
I'm literally
for
gonna take a picture of it and
myself.
send it to you. To do an interior
No,
check.
no.
No?
It's dirty. It's dirty.
You too.
No, I got a pumpkin pie. It's dirty. Wait.
Big bag. Pumpkin pie in
wait.
the passenger seat.
All right. Y'all can't.
The light's kind of tough. Hey, the light's kind of tough.
Oh.
Yeah. That's about $500.
Yeah, you know, I put that in myself.
All right, let's go ahead and get that.
I put that in myself.
I'll get the rev.
Oh, you gotta get the LED. Alright, you ready?
Well, it ain't gonna shoot no flames, is it?
I'll get close to find out.
Oh, somebody trying to get smoked right now.
Alright, put in the comment section.
Yeah, who would win? Who
would
win?
win?
For real.
Who would win? Yeah. Yeah, yours is looking. Anyways, y'all, I'm pretty sure mine would win.
You know who got the brighter lights?
Mine looks so much better.
Who got the brighter lights?
Bro, mine looks so much better. Open. Wait.
Sometimes.
Ooh, look at the crack. Never mind. Don't put that in.
Oh!
Don't put that in.
Okay, my fault. Yeah, well, that is all for today's video. Maybe I'll bust her tail next time when I see her.
Trey getting gapped by an Infinity.
Is that what we're gonna do next?
Trey getting gapped.
Treymoney gets gapped by G37X Carm.
Yep, Katie.
Okay, you heard it here.
We can run it right now, y'all, but he don't want to run it. So
Oh my gosh.
gotta get like me, man. You gotta stay undercover.
Anyway, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and I'm busting her tail next video. We'll see you on the next one. Deuces.
Cruise in a spaceship, take you to some places so you know that I ain't frontin'. She said I ain't famous, I just want the money.